your man Richard 88 coming to you with the reel. It's early in the morning, and you can see, let me show you the slope that my driveway is on real quick. But that's my slope, man. That freaking slope. The road way down there. But that slope of the driveway is why my bike went down. I'm finna get this early morning cold start. Disturb the neighbors a little bit at 6:39. Even though my carbon fiber on my little exhaust pipe is a little cracked, it's still loud. Yeah, from now on, I'm gonna be doing my cold starts from right here on my little walkway to the door, instead of trying to do them in the driveway, because that driveway don't like the kid at all. I told my wife I'm ready to move now. I'm ready to move out now. Damn driveway in physics, and me being kind of silly made me spend extra bread on the whip on my bicycle, yeah, making me spend extra bread that I wasn't anticipating spending on my motorcycle. So yeah, I told her I'm ready to move. We finna get this ride underway, riding into work. Yeah, you gotta work hard to play hard. I don't sell dope, I sell hope. After my bike went down in my driveway, the next day I ordered my plastics. While I was ordering my plastics, I ordered some riding shoes, I ordered a new helmet, I ordered a keyless gas cap, ordered a little phone mount so I can mount my phone. What else I ordered? Aside from my plastics and stickers. Oh yeah, I ordered my lightweight battery. And I think that's it. Yeah. A little phone mount, battery, helmet, shoes, gas cap. I'd rather be than on my bike, even though it's a little scratched up a little bit. It's all gravy. It's all gravy. I'm trying to see how many. How many miles I got right now? 1,220. 1,220 miles. But yeah, you know how when you order stuff and you want them things next day, I want them things like right now. I probably would have called out of work if them thing would have came yesterday and been putting them on, putting everything on today. Everything on today. When I ordered my helmet, I ordered a chin mount. Yeah, I ordered a chin mount also for the helmet that I'm getting. And the reason I ordered another helmet is because this helmet that I'm using right now is the same helmet that I've been using since 2014, 15, something like that. So I've been using the same helmet since then, and it's a Scorpion XO Scorpion XO 1100 Freedom is the helmet that I'm using right now. So I'm going back with the Scorpion brand because I like it. I like this helmet.